I think the K-Code program from Kia is a great way in actually rewarding the existing Kia and Kia Seltos owners. The great thing is people like me who have always wanted to buy a Seltos but never actually purchased it can now look for friends and look for relatives who already own a Seltos and ask them to generate a code.
Two features on the new Seltos that have really appealed to me are the dual zone climate control and the bigger, nicer panoramic sunroof.
Definitely the dual panoramic screen that you get inside. It looks absolutely stunning, very futuristic and very tech savvy.
Kia, movement that inspires.